Since the start of the premium trading signals group, we have had over 11 winning trades and over a 70% win rate. So if you want to join this group and learn more about trading crypto, make sure to check out the links down in the pinned comment for both the Telegram and the Discord group, where you can find more information on how to join the signals group. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily Ethereum update. We're going to be talking about Ethereum. I'll tell you what I expect in terms of price movements, but first we have to talk a little bit about fundamentals again, unfortunately. But yesterday we had the FOMC meeting minutes, which was basically a meeting and a press conference on the monetary policy in the US, which is a pretty big driver behind the price of crypto. Ahead of that, we were pretty bearish, which is, I also talked about that in a Bitcoin video before this. But it's a pretty interesting phenomenon right now. Almost all the time ahead of big fundamental things such as the inflation rate, the interest rate. What you see is that we're pretty bearish ahead of it, and then yesterday the outcome of the meeting minutes was pretty neutral. So then there's some sort of a relief, and we go up. So that happened yesterday. We also, if you would like to explain it purely by the technicals, we reached a major support level around 1600 psychological level. 0.5 FIB, 200 EMA, major level, very strong support. Would have been a great buy, but I usually don't buy and trade during these fundamental times. All right, so that was support, and where does that bring us? Well, it brings the DXY to be quite bullish right now. As most of you know, this is negatively correlated usually with crypto. Hasn't been over the last 24 hours, but it doesn't matter. So this has been pretty bullish. So usually that's bearish for crypto. But as you can see, we actually had quite a lot of bullish confirmations. We actually broke above this entire level between 1640 and 1660, which is practically filled with resistance levels. Also took a break retest off of that yesterday, a bearish break retest. So it's a great thing that we've actually broken above that. And already took a break retest as well, off of 1660, which is pretty high. So now the big question is can we hold those levels? Because essentially what we would want to do is break above 1680. If we do that, we're right back at where we were most of last week, or at least the end of last week and beginning of this week as well. That's what we want to do, break above 1680. Excuse me, I have to sneeze. And I'm trying to keep it up. So that's the thing we want to do. The main thing we have to confirm for that is whether we can hold 1660. So I would say if we can, I would think with the dollar strength index also nearing a major resistance level, and remember it's negatively correlated, so that's a good thing for crypto. I would say that it's actually more likely that at some point we'll break above 1680 and get back up to 1720. And then tomorrow we'll talk about whether we can get up to 1760 and 1800 again. I don't think that's the main subject to talk about in this video, but I think this is the most likely scenario based on the technicals. I mean, on the daily we're still very bullish, as you can see, and on the 4-hour time frame we've also had some major bullish confirmations. But apart from that, I'm not sure what I wanted to say, to be honest. Yeah, I mean, based on all of those factors, I think that it's more likely that we'll break above 1680. But you should know that the moment I wouldn't even say that we need to break above 1660. I'd say as long as we're above like 1640, we're bullish and we're still doing it. However, if something happens and we drop down below 1640, then it's a problem. Then we're probably going to drop back down to 1600, then there's actually a realistic chance that we're getting into some sort of a small downtrend at the very least. It's not what I expect, but I think you should know it, that really 1640 is kind of the threshold right now. So it's my take on Ethereum for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.